Hello YouTube, Chashtex back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a wireless mouse not working on Windows computer. You may have Windows 10, Windows 11 or other operating system, but your wireless mouse stopped working due to different reason. So on this video we are going to see 5 solutions to fix this problem. So let's start from solution number 1. So as a first solution to solve this problem is maybe it's related with the receiver or the battery. So replace your mouse battery, remove the battery and unplug the receiver. Again, plug back your receiver. Then check whether the wireless mouse problem is solved or not. If the problem still occurs, then the second solution would be unchecking a fast startup under power option. So in order to do that, again click here the search icon, click and type here control panel. Here the control panel, then open it. So after the control panel open, you will find here on the left side power option. If you cannot find it, go on the top under view by, click here this arrow and select large icons. Then you will find power options, select the power options. Then on the top left corner you will find choose what the power button do, select that and click here change the settings that are currently unavailable. Then select that and here uncheck this turn on fast startup, uncheck it, this box. So uncheck this one and click here save changes and close the power options. Then check whether your wireless mouse problem solved or not. If the problem still occurs, solution is updating your mouse under the device manager. So click here the search icon and type device manager. Here the device manager, then open it. Then here mice and other pointing devices, click here the arrow and here the mouse option. So you may not have a similar driver name like what you are seeing on the screen. Your driver name may differ. So just select the mouse driver and right click on it and select update driver. Then select search automatically for driver. Then here the best driver for your device are already installed. Then close this and check whether the wireless mouse problem is solved or not. If the problem still continues, then again use a different updating method. So again to do that, select here the search icon and type device manager. Here the device manager, then open it. Here mice and other pointing device, select here the arrow and select the mouse driver, right click on it, select update driver and use the second method, which is browse my computer for driver. And select here, let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. Then here I have two mouse drivers, HID compliant device and HID compliant mouse. Then select the different driver. In my case, I'm using this one, so I'm going to select this and click here next. Then it will start updating your mouse driver and it will ask you to restart your computer and restart your computer. So after updating and restarting your computer, if the wireless mouse problem still continues, then solution will be uninstalling and reinstalling back your mouse driver. Again to do that, click here the search icon and type device manager. Here the device manager and again go here mice and other pointing, click the arrow, then select the driver, right click on it and select here uninstall device. And you are about to uninstall this device from your system, so select uninstall and it will remove your mouse driver. Then it will show you to restart your computer. Then after the restart, it will automatically reinstall back your mouse driver and it will solve your problem related with wireless mouse not working problem. So these are the solutions to fix a wireless mouse not working on Windows computer. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.